Hey guys, welcome to the channel. 67% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. That's a crazy number of people just scraping by. But what if I told you there's a way out? With a few simple changes, a little bit of hustle, and the right mindset, you can break free from that cycle. We're talking about real, actionable strategies that anyone can use, no matter your background or current financial situation. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances, achieve your goals, and start living life on your own terms, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Alright, let's get real. Nobody likes talking about budgets. It feels restrictive, maybe even a little scary. The thought of having to account for every penny can be daunting. But trust me, budgeting isn't about limiting yourself. It's about understanding where your money is going so you can make it work harder for you. It's about gaining control and making informed decisions. Think of it like this. Your income is your team of all-star players, and your budget is the game plan that's going to lead them to victory. Just like any successful team, you need a strategy to win. First things first, you need to track your expenses. This is the foundation of any good budget. And I mean everything. That daily coffee, those subscription services you barely use, those impulse buys that add up way faster than you realize. Every small expense counts. There are tons of apps out there to help you with this. Or you can go old school with a spreadsheet. The key is consistency. The point is, get it all down on paper so you can see the big picture. This visual representation will help you understand your spending habits. Once you know where your money is going, you can start making adjustments. This is where the real magic happens. Look for areas where you can cut back. It might be tough at first, but it's all about prioritizing. Maybe it's eating out a little less, finding a cheaper phone plan, or finally canceling that gym membership you swore you'd use. Small changes can lead to big savings. Every little bit adds up. Over time, these small savings can accumulate into a significant amount. Now, here's the fun part. Start allocating your money towards your goals. This is where you turn your dreams into actionable plans. Want to buy a house? Great! Factor in a monthly savings goal for a down payment. Make it a priority in your budget. Dreaming of that dream vacation? Set aside a specific amount each month dedicated to that trip. Visualize your goal and work towards it. By assigning a purpose to your money, you're not just spending, you're investing in your future. This gives your money meaning and direction. So, ditch the fear, embrace the power of budgeting, and watch how quickly it transforms your relationship with money. You'll find peace of mind and a sense of accomplishment. Okay, now that we've got our financial house in order, let's talk about boosting that income with a side hustle. Whether you're looking to pay off debt faster, save for a big purchase, or simply have more financial freedom, a side hustle can be a game changer. Starting a side hustle is about leveraging your skills, passions, and even just a few extra hours a week to create additional income streams. It's about turning what you love into a profitable venture. The beauty of the digital age is that the possibilities are endless. With the internet, you can reach a global audience from the comfort of your home. Are you a whiz with words? Consider freelance writing, editing, or even social media management. These roles are in high demand and can be done from anywhere. Got a knack for design? Explore graphic design, web development, or creating and selling digital products. These creative outlets can turn into lucrative side businesses. Love connecting with people? Virtual assisting, online tutoring, or even customer service gigs could be your jam. These roles allow you to work flexibly and connect with others. And don't underestimate the power of the offline world. Maybe you love baking, crafting, or creating unique jewelry. These hobbies can easily be turned into profitable side hustles. Platforms like Etsy and local craft fairs provide incredible opportunities to turn your passions into profits. You can showcase your unique creations to a wide audience. The key is to identify your strengths, interests, and what you genuinely enjoy doing. This will ensure that your side hustle is not only profitable, but also fulfilling. Once you've got a few ideas, it's time to research your market. Understanding the demand for your service or product is crucial. What's the demand for your chosen service or product? Are there gaps in the market that you can fill? Who is your target audience? And where do they hang out online and offline? Knowing this will help you tailor your marketing efforts effectively. And don't forget about the power of networking. Building connections can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Talk to friends, family, and your existing network about your side hustle. They might offer valuable insights or even become your first customers. So what are you waiting for? The best time to start is now. Unleash that inner entrepreneur and watch as those extra dollars start rolling in. Your side hustle could be the key to achieving your financial goals and living the life you desire. Now let's talk about an investment that often gets overlooked: investing in yourself. Think about it. You are your most valuable asset. The more knowledge, skills, and experience you acquire, the more valuable you become in the marketplace, which translates to higher earning potential. Investing in yourself doesn't necessarily mean dropping thousands on a fancy degree. It's about continuously seeking opportunities to learn, grow, and expand your skill set. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare, and even YouTube offer affordable courses on everything from coding and marketing to photography and creative writing. Reading books, listening to podcasts, attending industry webinars, and even following thought leaders and experts in your field are all forms of self-investment. Make it a habit to dedicate at least 30 minutes each day to learning something new or expanding your knowledge base. The returns, both financially and personally, will be well worth it. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds great, Sel, but can these strategies really change someone's life? Can they truly make a difference for someone struggling to make ends meet? Absolutely. And to prove it, I want to share a truly inspiring story with you. It's a story of resilience, determination, and transformation. This is about Sarah, a single mom of two who was stuck in a financial rut, just like many of you watching this right now. She was overwhelmed by the constant worry of how to provide for her family. Sarah was working as a part-time receptionist, barely making ends meet. Her job was demanding, yet it didn't pay enough to cover all the bills. She was exhausted, stressed, and worried about providing for her kids' future. The constant financial strain was taking a toll on her health and well-being. She knew she deserved better, her kids deserved better, and she was determined to find a way out. She was ready to take control of her life and create a better future for her family. One day, Sarah stumbled across an article about virtual assisting. It was like a light bulb went off in her head. She'd always been organized, great with communication and tech savvy, so she figured, why not give it a shot? It seemed like the perfect opportunity to leverage her skills. She spent a few evenings researching, brushed up on her skills, and created a profile on a freelancing platform. She was determined to make this work. Within a few weeks, Sarah landed her first client. It was a moment of triumph and validation for her efforts. It was a small gig, just a few hours a week, but it was a start. It gave her the confidence to keep pushing forward. She poured her heart and soul into it, exceeding the client's expectations. Her dedication and hard work did not go unnoticed. Word of mouth spread, and soon Sarah had a handful of clients bringing in an extra $2,000 a month. Her side hustle was turning into a reliable source of income. As her skills grew, so did her client base and her income. She invested time in learning new tools and techniques to better serve her clients. Today, Sarah runs a thriving business, bringing in over $10,000 a month, all from the comfort of her home, on her own schedule, while being present for her kids. Her journey is a testament to the power of perseverance and the incredible opportunities that await those who dare to take the first step. So there you have it, guys. Actionable strategies to boost your income, achieve financial freedom, and start living life on your own terms. We talked about the power of budgeting, unleashing your inner entrepreneur with a side hustle, investing in your most valuable asset, you, and we even heard an inspiring success story to prove that it's all possible. Remember, it's not about overnight success or get-rich-quick schemes. It's about taking control of your finances, making smart decisions, and putting in the work to achieve your goals. By implementing these tips, you can start making an extra $5,000 a month and achieving the financial freedom you deserve. It might not be easy, but trust me, it's worth it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which tip did you find most helpful, and how do you plan to start implementing it in your life? And if you want more financial tips and advice, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe for new content every week.